Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we're going to be designing a kind of app that we can use to draw, different things like Canva. You can use to make a diagram drawing, you can use to make a paint drawing and things like that. So how do we get started? So firstly, we use the Tinter, which Tkinter is a graphical user interface of Python that is used to do a lot of things. And then we import Canva. Canva too is an application that's used to create a drawing area within a space. So we imported that. Then we defined the Paint app class. We in this place we define the paint app class where the paint where we can draw the space of in which we can draw the paint app. So we initialize the main window, which is this. To initialize the main window. Then we set the window title, which is this simple painter app. Then we now further resize we the size of the window. So the window that we're going to use to make the drawing is 600 by 400. And then we made the background white, the width, the height, and stuffs like that. Also, we did the B1 motion. The B1 motion actually is for us to is it makes the canvas expand when the window is resized. So that's what the main is. And also enable the mouse to dictate the movement of the mouse, here and there. When you move to the left, you move to the right, is going to be able to make those drawing. And also uh you know that's for sorry, the field this sorry this particular place is to dictate to create that space to make the camera window expand when the window is resized. And this V1 motion here, the essence of it is for us to be able to move our mouse here, left, right, center. So as we are moving the mouse is being pressed, it's going to be creating the drawing. So that's the essence of that. Then we define the paint. So this area of the code is to dictate the movement of the mouse so that we know what it's going to draw, the dynamics of the mouse. That's what that area is for. So for example now, the event X and event Y gets the current mouse position. So X and Y gets if it's the mouse on horizontal, it's moving horizontally or vertically, and that's what it does. And then in a situation where we get x minus 2 an event of y minus 2, for example, it creates a small oval dot. That's the essence of that. If x is plus 2, which means x increased by 2 or x decreased by 2, if x decreased by 2 or y decreased by 2, it's going to create a small oval dot. If x increased by 2, and y also increased by 2 in this event, it's also going to create, you know, a dot, which means a black dot, which means that it's going to create the dot moving. So it depends. This is just to get the coordination of the mouse and to be able to get the direction and dimension at which the mouse is moving. So that's what this is all about. So as the user moves the mouse, multiple dots are being drawn, forming a continuous stroke, and that's the event of this. And so the last place is to keep this loop here is just to keep the graphic user interface running until the user closes the window, and also to initialize the paint app class, and that's what this is all about. So in any ways, let's run this code and see it physically and see what's up with it. Uh, so we're running this code. Let me see. Seems it's giving an error. There's some correction on it. Okay, saying an unexpected error in line 7. So we need to check in for line 7, see if there's a mistake there. It says self root. Self dot root goes to root. Yes, correct. Is there any this thing? Yeah, there's an error here. Let's delete this. Let's try to run the code again. Yes, so our paint tab has popped out, so we can now draw anything. You can draw, you can draw a human being, and then we can design a lot of things in Python, which is really nice. And this is one of the projects that you can do on Python. Yeah, so if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like my video, and comment in the comment section if you need any help or important information that you need to know about maybe one of the projects that I've done. Simple tasks and simple projects. And let me know. I'll get back to you in the comment section. Hope this was helpful. Bye for now.